Another study, which is again, S1 is not available in India, so I won't dwell on it, but again, patients randomized to S1 for a year versus observation, a significant survival benefit for adjuvant chemotherapy. Looking at meta-analysis of adjuvant chemoradiotherapy after 2006, because we say that, the techniques were not so good before, now we've become better with the techniques. You can see these all four meta-analyses have included about 1,000 to 2,800 patients, and all of them actually show that yes, there is a benefit for chemoradiotherapy given post-operatively, and in these studies, the morbidity related to chemoradiotherapy was much lesser than the INT 0116 trial. Looking at the meta-analysis of adjuvant chemotherapy, you will see the numbers are just double than what you have in the adjuvant chemoradiotherapy studies. The confidence intervals are shorter and a consistently significant benefit in favor of adjuvant chemotherapy. Looking at chemoradiotherapy versus chemotherapy, I think the ARTIST trial is the pivotal trial, in which 100% patients had a D2 dissection, and patients were randomized to chemotherapy versus chemoradiotherapy, and they published 7-year follow-up data into this month in January 2015. Which is the last row, and basically you can see that there is no disease-free survival or overall survival benefit for chemoradiotherapy versus chemotherapy. Both are pretty much similar, but the toxicity is more in chemoradiotherapy arm. What they did show was that in subgroup analysis, there was a benefit with chemoradiotherapy in patients who were node positive. So the ARTIST-2 is randomizing patients with node positive disease into chemoradiotherapy versus chemotherapy. So till the results of that available, we can't extrapolate it to node positive patients. Again, all of these studies basically show that both of them are pretty much equal and no significant benefit of one over the other. Small study of 68 patients by Yu et al. In 2012 does show that the 3-year overall survival was better for chemoradiotherapy, but this was highly underpowered.